Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And markets consolidating, right? We were expecting that markets would continue to move down today and go down till 42,500, 400, all these levels, right? But markets did consolidate today both, not so much with Nifty, right? Nifty definitely hit our target of 19,000 first of all. And as I said, once we go below 19,060, you guys can go ahead and take a short position over here till first target of 19,000, right? And we did get our target of 19,000, but in Bank Nifty things were very slow, right? And pretty much for the whole day Bank Nifty just consolidated between 42,600 and 42,800, right? This most probably will be because today was Bank Nifty's expiry, so there was like kind of pressure from both sides, 42,800 call sellers were sitting at the top and 42,600 put sellers were sitting below. So yeah, that's why most probably market would have consolidated over here, right? But anyways, I did take a trade over here. If you see, I shorted the 42,600 call option. First of all, I did take a trade in the starting, but that really did not go that well, and I pretty much got out with a stop loss of just like 7 points, right? Not a big deal, right? Because I tried to take a trade somewhere over here, but market did not give me a good place to take a short position, and that's why I decided to square off my position with just 7 points loss, right? But then in the second half, I again took the short position in the same option, now at 130 rupees, right? Where did I take it? I'm going to go into the 500 charts and show you guys. I took my short position over here, right? When the market was going up slowly over here and there was this kind of double bottom or breakout over here, right? If you see, the next candle itself market started to come down, right? So I took some price action over here in the 1 minute chart. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, right? There was also this trend line coming over here, right? If you see something like this, there was a trend line coming, and once the market made this negative price action over here, right? Once there was this green candle and after that there was instantly a red candle, I decided to take a short position over here, right? And then I kept my target at somewhere around 50 rupees, which I thought would come by the time Bank Nifty would come till 42,630. But Bank Nifty came till just the option came till just 60 rupees, and that's why I decided to square off my position at 62 rupees over here, right? Somewhere over here. But yes, eventually the market did go till 50 rupees also. That option did go and made a low of 50 rupees, and from there, pretty much market then just recovered and closed higher, right? But anyways, making 1.2% on my total capital with a risk of I think around about 20 point risk, right? So basically a risk of 300 and made a profit of 900. A good day basically. Anyways, what can we do for tomorrow? Tomorrow most probably market could get a little trending, right, on either side. Why am I saying this? Is because if you see on the upside, if market opens with a gap up, then chances are a lot of people will start squaring off their short positions, right? And that's why we could see a good up move from here easily till 43,400 first of all, right? Maybe tomorrow itself we might not come till 43,400, but yes, above 42,800, if we start sustaining, then we can expect the market to move up till 43,400 very easily in the coming days, right? And after that, we can also expect the market to go higher from there, right? Because then this will just be a breakout failure, right? If I go into the daily charts also and show you guys, this will then just be a breakout failure this fall, right? And then we could easily expect market to come till easily 44,000 also in the coming days, right? So tomorrow we could expect a move on either side in the market. If we open with a gap up, if Bank Nifty opens with a gap up above 42,850 and just sustains above 42,800 for some time, right, and starts making positive price action, you guys can go aggressively long from over here with the first target of 43,050, and then you can either book your positions because tomorrow and maybe not take any overnight positions, or you can hold your positions for higher targets of 43,400 also, right? I'm expecting market to come till 43,300 to 400, right? This range easily in the coming maybe by Friday or maybe by Monday very easily, right? On the downside also, if you open with a gap down anywhere below 42,005, anywhere near 42,500 or below it, and once we start making negative price action, you guys can go ahead and take a short position at lower levels itself, because from here market will not hold itself anymore, and most probably market will come down till 42,000, right? And tomorrow is a day where we could see a bit of very good sell off on the downside, right? Because market has made a proper price action, and if we are now getting bearish, then chances are we could see a very good sell off in the market in the coming days, not in the coming days but tomorrow itself. So what you can do is, once we start seeing negative price action, you can go ahead and take a short trade. Your first target will be 42,300, and then you can keep your second target at 42,000 itself, right? Talking about Nifty was definitely continuing to trend on the downside today also. And once, if you see, there was negative price action over here also in the start over here. So you could have taken a short position below 19,060 over here. And from there, pretty much market would have given you easy money throughout the day. Although you most probably wouldn't have made a lot of money by buying options, but by selling options you could have made good money, right? But something so what can we do for tomorrow is very simple, right? First of all, talking about Bank Nifty, if we open flat, what can we do if we open flat is that wait for price action on either side, right? If market is breaking and going below 42,600, do not go ahead and short immediately, because market might go below 42,600, give a spike and again go up, right? Or maybe market might go above 42,850 or 800, give a spike and again come below, right? So if we open flat, we will buy above once we see price action above 42,850, and we will sell below 42,600 if we open flat after seeing price action. Always see price action in this kind of area, because over here market can easily trap you, right? Like it did today, right? If you see, market went below this swing low over here and then instantly reversed from there, right? So do not go aggressively long or short until unless we see a price action. Once you see price action, you can start taking aggressive position on either side, right? Talking about Nifty, if you see, Nifty was trending on the downside, so definitely Nifty has become a bit more weak, right? So anyways, if you open flat, we will continue with the trend over here, but the best thing would be if we just consolidate over here for the first like half an hour or so, and then once we start breaking below 18,980, you guys can go ahead and take a short position over here. You can keep a target first of all till the swing of 18,940. This can be your small target, but pretty much we can keep a good target of 18,860, and I think it is not very hard for it won't really be very hard for Nifty to achieve if we open flat and start crossing, or if you open with a gap down also, that is also fine. If you open with a gap down, negative price action, and then we'll keep a target of 18,850 first of all, and then we can keep a target of 18,800 also on the downside, right? On the upside, very simple. Very simple, 19,050 to 40 will be very important, right? So 19,060 to 40 will be a very important zone. Once we start making price action above this level, right? If we even consolidate over here and start breaking above 19,065, 60, then also you can go ahead and take a bullish position over here, because then Nifty will not kind of, stay in this range, right? But I would recommend going for buying positions in Bank Nifty also, because Bank Nifty is at a good level and there is not really much resistance on the upside. However, if you see, Nifty has a resistance at 19,090, so maybe things might get volatile in Nifty as compared to Bank Nifty, right? More volatile in Nifty as compared to Bank Nifty. So best thing would be to take long positions in Bank Nifty, but yes, you can also take long positions in Nifty above 19,065. And yes, below on the downside, again, if you open the gap up also above 19,065, same thing, positive price action, and then we can go ahead and take a long position easily till 19,230 to 220 on the upside, right? On the downside, same thing. If you open the gap down anywhere below 18,950, you guys can go ahead and wait for negative price action and then go ahead and take a short position, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today. Tomorrow most probably we could see a good rally on either side depending on where we open, but wait for price action, right? On either side, anywhere we open, just wait for some price action and then go ahead and take a short position. Because maybe we might open with a gap down, right? But the big institution might have something in mind and they might, start buying from here, right? And if that happens, we could see a pretty much a very big recovery and you would be holding on to your shorts with a loss, right? So best thing would be to wait for price action. As soon as we get price action, we can go aggressively long or short tomorrow, right? So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.